Howdy everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. So today we're going to go cowboy on you, and we're going to do a cook outside on a hanging tripod over an open fire with the Dutch oven, and we're going to make us some pork chops. I'm going to make this a silent video, and the ingredients that I use will be down in the description. And let's go cowboy style. So we just finished up our Dutch oven pork chop cook here. As you saw, I did it out there on the 22-inch Weber Smoky Mountain base. I turned that into my fire pit and used my hanging tripod to hang the Dutch oven on. I got this recipe from Backwoods Gourmet channel, and I'll have a link, iCard up there, over there, but down in the description of his pork chop recipe that he did. I added the green beans to ours, and I used a Oh, let's see, it says, what is it? A 22-ounce can of cream of mushrooms soup. And let's just take a bite of this, see what she tastes like. Oh yeah. You wouldn't like it, it's too good. Well, got us some mashed taters here. Oh yeah. I'm telling you. I love pork chops. Well, I hope you liked this video. I did. And like I always say, thank you for watching. You can do this too. Grill on, my friends. Until next time. That's really good.